beautiful people. Today we're going all in on the daily 3K Gems pack. These packs have been absolute pain so far. But today feels different. Let's crack it open and see if EA finally blesses us. Big pulls only. Here we go. It's a walkout. He's from Poland. He's a striker. He plays for Barcelona. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the GOAT himself, Robert Lewandowski.
Lewandowski goes for the goal! He's a